or acquaintances. I don't care for that. I come live, I may talk to you guys, but that's as far as it goes. I'm not interested in building companionship or friendship. You understand? Yes, respectfully, not in a disrespectful way though. So yeah, my messages are turned off because I'm not interested to meet new people or to talk to anybody. Because it don't make no sense for me. It's never beneficial to me to talk to people just out of the sake of talking to people. It's actually dangerous for me. Yeah, so just to let you know, and I won't be turning on back my DMs. So yeah, I'm sorry if that affects you in any kind of way. If you want to purchase something from Thick Fits, the Instagram page is Thick Fits, and there's a lot of stuff here that are selling very fast. So if you really want something for the holidays, for the New Year's, by the way, new stocks are coming this week. My new line, my new catalog is launching this week. I don't even know why I haven't done anything special for it, but I'm gonna get my way around. My new catalog is launching this week, and it's a new luxurious catalog under Thick Fits. It's still Thick Fits, but it's different from other clothes in the store. It's high-end fashion, high-end luxury fashion. So all of my high-end dolls, or people that like to go overboard, I had that for you too. So yes, good look for the new year. My items are on their way to Jamaica, and I'm so excited. And I'm also restocking cargo skirts and cargo pants. Jeans cargo pants is coming. What else is coming? Crop tops are coming. Other stuff are coming. It's just that I can't remember. So much things, I can't really remember every single thing. But follow the business page on Instagram. If you want something, you message the business page. Remember, my DMs are turned off here, and possibilities are my DMs are turned off on my Instagram too. I tried to turn them off on Instagram. I don't know if it's working. I see people still messaging on Instagram. So I don't know, but if you want an item, you message on the business page. I sell all size clothes. Thick Fits is not for plus size. Thick Fits is for all women. I keep saying that. I don't sell plus size clothes alone. I sell from sizes small to 2XL. I just add 2XL because a lot of people don't sell plus size clothes. So I try to cater for thicker women, so I may buy some stuff in 2XL, add some stuff in plus sizes. So Thick Fit is for all sizes. Yes, I don't sell only plus size clothes. Sell from sizes small to 2XL.
I beg you, baby, do. Long time, make me have to come back. Breast stiff, yeah, you have to come fast. She wicked and bad, and she full of tough chat. A little and bad, she no listen love song. So she fling it down, that's so she lift it up back. A big song string up on a little function. Christian, but she love the gun man. Come on, baby, don't you have a beer. She love the bomb, so she fuck. I beg you, baby, do.
I like that song here, though. I like this song. It's a really nice song. Alright.
I beg you, baby, don't stop.
My back's on charge,
Breast stiff, yeah, you have to come fast. She wicked and bad, and she full of tough chat. A little and bad.
But new stocks coming this week. New cargo skirt coming. Not the same shade that I have here. I'm getting a different shade cargo skirt, different shade of jeans. New cargo pants coming. I'm restocking the Kardashian skirt suit in pink and white. I'm also stocking new hot white stuff. I have a white dress that is coming, a very hot dress. That one is available in medium and large because those are the sizes that it's producing. I have other stuff coming, but I just don't remember because there's so much things that I ordered in that package. But my Thick Fits luxury collection is something that people need to look forward to because, yeah, some of them really nice, really nice. I'm so excited. I don't know why I don't post or give on a look screen. I look at what is supposed to come, but you know, yeah. I'm gonna really show you what else I have, what I really have here. And I have white bikinis. I have a lot of white bikinis, silver bikinis. I have white bikini, I have silver bikini. I have white and gold. I have jewelry top. Yeah, I'm gonna get some whole for jewelry top too. Oh God, you know, see a lot of stuff for come for through. Let me check my sitting where I come. They're supposed to come Saturday. Let me see where I go on here. So alright, let me see. I will for stuff me forget for true, you know. What for stuff me forget for true. Me know exactly when I get in a me exclusive set of stuff them. But me just can't remember the other stuff them when me forget. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of mesh cover ups. So you know, this is Sans weekend. May I advise you if you don't see something you don't like. Merry Christmas to you, darling. If you don't see something you don't like, you better one time to buy them early. And cause you may see something today, you may not see it back tomorrow. It's something what me always go through. You understand me? I say so. If you see something where you like today, you have the money can buy it. I advise you to secure the item then because stuff now go really stay like that. A lot of people look stuff where you go out. So if you really want something and you're sure that that's what you want, not necessarily birthday dresses, they're more than birthday dresses. So thank you so much, darling, for the honor. They're like over the top special occasion dresses. So I'm getting a specific kind of dress, which is a jacket dress. That is one of them. I'm getting a jumpsuit with a diamond them over the pum pum part and diamond them over the breast part, which I wanted one to wear to Milk and Honey. But when me sit down and say me don't know if it'll reach in time, I was like, you know what, I don't know, because I want to actually promote this line, this set of stuff. So I'm actually plan for wear at least one piece for those, you know. But I will get around with that. Anyways, I have that kind of thing with the fur. I have another one, but most of them is like good material. Basically, these are handmade stuff. So these factory stuff, these are like factory stuff. Them here, they are handmade stuff. Them, which makes them really nice, you know. So them really well done, good material. Everything in here are good materials, you know. But them they are really, you know, I got something, yeah. So me wait this weekend. I'm excited still. I'm not telling you I'm excited. And yeah, by the way, I accept cards right now. So if you don't want to come with your cash, or you don't want to walk with cash, I'm accepting cards right now. Alright, so alright, let me tell you now where I want me to go get now. Enough stuff me I get, you know. I just never remember. So jewelry top is coming, cargo pants, cargo skirt. May I get that white dress here? You see the white dress here? Or something like this is that nice for Sans. Something like this is that nice for Sans. Some people that wear this to Sans. It depends. Yeah, people that wear this to Sans. This look like Cora. I like that dress still it bad, no blood clot. It bad. And people that like, somebody would have like this for sons. What else I have now? Oh yeah, may I start bikinis. The bikinis are come too. This in a white. May I get this in a white? May I get gold dress? All this dress coming in gold. This is a nice one. New Year's Eve party. You know, say I'm more on jewelry top. What is jewelry top there? May I get that jewelry top there? May I get that jewelry top here? Diamond jewelry top. Crop top. Cargo skirt again, yeah. So cargo pants. Our size them in cargo pants is small to extra large cargo pants. More jewelry top again. So it seems like I have a lot of jewelry top. And here some I have more metallic dress again, like New Year's Eve kind of party thing. Somebody said a nice one New Year's Eve party. And in my other, do you ship to you? Say yes. In my luxury stuff them, I have other stuff. I'm showing you one I stuff them what I get. In my luxury collection. I'm showing you. So I can have an idea what is what and what's going on over here in Thick Fits. Oh God, police, oh God. This is why I don't like wigs, you know. Look at this. Oh God, man, oh God. Let me say you're not girl something, man. The lace is showing. Anyways, this will come off of my head later, so I'm not pay that no mind. Because I'm a girl, I'm not going at the New Year's looking like a flap girl. I'm a girl long time. I'm not going at New Year's, so. Anyways, now I'm showing you something. So this is going to be added to our collection. This will come this weekend. Yeah. This is a part of the luxurious collection, and this is a free size dress. This fits one size. It fits medium, small, and see, good material, good quality. Fine kind of stuff. So yeah, this is what's going on. This is added this is also gonna be added. So you guys see where I'm going with this. I'm trying to take Thick Fits to another kind of level. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, making Thick Fits for the bad bitches, for everybody, plus size dolls, every single body can shop at Thick Fits. Yes, so yeah. So this will also be added this weekend, right? New Year's, birthday, New Year's again. What else? No, I post this already, right? And this too, right? This is coming. So I ordered these like 2 months ago, and these should have been added long time, but suppliers like this, and these stuff take time to make, by the way, because as stated, they're handmade. So yeah, but I'm just showing you guys some of the stuff. This is not all. It's just, and they will be available in sizes small to large. As stated, jacket dress is a free size dress, which is weird, but I guess it's stretchy. It look like a stretchy material, so jacket dress is available in free size. So if you wear small, you can wear this. If you wear medium, you can wear it. If you wear large, extra large, you're supposed to can wear it, right? So yeah. What else will be added? This is a closer look of the gold dress. This is what the gold dress looks like close up. All right, so yeah, and this is another angle of the jacket dress, right? That's another angle of it. So it looks something like this, and yeah, so that's just some of the stuff that is coming for that catalog, right? Yes, but this for this catalog that I'm adding, right? For this catalog that I'm adding, I must say that I won't be adding no plus size. It only stops at extra large for this catalog, right? So I have other dresses, birthday dresses in 2XL that I stock, but not Thick Fit looks. No plus size, just extra large, the biggest size for these specific kind of pieces. So that's just about it. Cargo pants, cargo shirt, jewelry tops, Kardashian skirt set restocking, which is it sells so fast. I restock it the first week the store open, and it sells the first week. So and that will be available in size small to extra large, which I know it will sell out again. I sell it out like 3 times after restocking. I'm restocking it in pink too, and yeah, crop tops. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah. But you know, I'm trying to get out my little shell for my store, and also I think I'm going to add like perfumes and scents, fragrance, luxury scents, not normal scents, to my collection. But then I need to research and get the proper supplier. I can't just sell anybody any scent, and I have to sample them on myself first before I sell them out to people. I can't be just selling anything to people. I have to make sure that it's good stuff, it stays on long, and I can sell it at a reasonable cost. Because even though like most luxury fragrances are expensive, I'm not trying to sell them at a too expensive price. I just want to get like an inspired version, but still smell nice, you know, affordable and stuff like that, you know. Because if you guys know, I love perfumes, I love scents. So yeah, that's just about it. I have to add perfumes, you know, luxury perfumes to my collection too. But I'm taking my little time to add more and more stuff, also shoes and stuff like that. But I'm still taking my little time, stepping up my comfort zone, trying to add little stuff here and there. Hi, good day. How are you doing? I'm gonna spread this here when I'm done. Also, I will be adding some luxury jewelry, inspired luxury jewelry, and more glasses are coming. Inspired version of a lot of stuff, right? Yes, good quality stuff though, you know. Because one thing about me, I love designers, and I believe in real designers, but I will buy close to a real designer because of the quality. You know, like you have different quality of stuff. You know, you have close to, like for example, that Speedy Louis Vuitton handbag that I have. You have that bag, right? That is the real original Speedy bag. Costs like $3,000 US. But you may have a close to that bag with the same good quality. If you know what I'm saying. You understand? But it's not as expensive, if you get what I'm trying to say. So you know, like I am going to add like good quality inspired stuff to my collection, but not like certain stuff, you know, like really nice stuff. So not everything though, not everything, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about when them come. On to see them still. But yeah, that is that. Yeah, I sell glasses, but for now I just have like 4 glasses leave. All of the glasses them sell off. I'm going to restock, but unfortunately I'm not gonna restock any for the holidays. They're not gonna reach fast. But we have 2 boxes come, and I just be sit there in them clothes and bikinis and stuff like that. I not really get for restock no glasses or nothing for the rest of the holiday. Them not gonna reach fast enough, you know. My jewelry them go fast and my glasses them go fast. So I have to upgrade the glasses them. Like me have to try if y'all buy like 10 different kind of glasses now, cause me realize me sell glasses a lot. So me I try for next time when time I order my glasses them, me I buy like all a 10 piece of this one, different color, mix up the color them, buy a 10 piece of that one, a 10 piece of that one, and this that me I fare up because people buy these things a lot, glasses, jewelry and them so me I try to add more stuff. You know, so me not feel constantly I go back and I order too fast because when people come and buy clothes, them want glasses or them want jewelry. Them always I go buy jewelry. Yeah. Wash my hand when time I'm done. When you not like up the life, nobody not there here because they cannot spread the narrative that they want to spread and tear me down. So nobody is not saying anything at all. No. Mm-hmm. In here I get cold though. I like when you're stale news. That's why I'm stale news. Darling dear, I am a successful business woman. Me no need to be pan on the timeline and me no need to be in a uno. Me no need to be a part of the mix. I'm successful business woman and that's something that you people will never celebrate. That is something that a lot of uno is not happy about. Yes, I'm not stale news. I am doing too good. Doing too good for no talk about me. Doing too good for no dep on my life and even say no talk when time I still not talk about positive stuff because that is not the narrative we don't want to spread. We don't want to come and talk stuff. We don't want to see me depressed, mash up, come here, I cry, I talk certain things and I study uno. So no, I'm not stale news. Me I do too good for no highlight that. And that's okay and that is fine. Me don't need no support. Me don't need none of no either. You understand me I say? Yes. Yeah. Business page is Stick Fit. You can go there and look darling there. Me I still don't do something right now. Me can't really show you the dress them. Me notice say whenever you're not in a mix up people say you pop down or you steal. A lot of these people in a mix up, them broke are hungry, you know. Only not support them if them should ever start one store or open one business. No, that never go to buy no water. That's why I not believe all of the hype when you give certain people on the internet because you know, don't support them as all no act like you support them when them in a mix up and drama. If them open up a store and never buy one suit of clothes from them. If them open up a restaurant and never buy one juice from them. We just support them because them in a mix up and baga. A lot of these people on social media. That's why I not believe the hype we only give to them because I know say it's fake hype, it's a facade. You see when they can sell things to people and sell a product and people respect you that much for coming in your store and buy something and come back again and buy something 2 years from straight and then the hype them believe in. I not believe in a hype with likes and comments and baga and something because a lot of these people on the claims and support them don't support them genuinely. When support them because them in a mix up and drama. I don't want that support, you know. That support is not for me. You get me? Them support they no stretch no. You know how long me have some customer? Me have customer come in my store I buy from me from open up my store. And that is a blessing. For no say, somebody buy from you the first time I open up a store and them still a shop with it 2 years after. A lot of people can't pull that off. Them don't have the guts, them don't have what it takes. You get me I say? So people are always say you steal out when you work towards owning a house, buying your favorite vehicle, owning your dream vehicle, because you're not in a mix-up. Them the kind of dreams that come with mix-up and drama. You will never achieve certain things if you're in a certain problem. If you're in a certain baga, you're not going to ever achieve certain things. I want to understand that. Me no want certain hype, because the direction and path when me want to go in a life, it do requires that. The levels are like, when me want to go, it no requires mix up and baga and depend timeline and cuss it some people. Right now, if some people even post me can't promise you, so me not have the energy to respond to them. And people probably a lot tear me down and me not know, because me never go through my For You page. And me not really care either, because it don't benefit me and it not stop nobody from buy from me or support me. So you don't have nothing at all to do with me. You get me I say? People already don't like you, may pay attention to these things, and that is okay and fine, because not everybody are gonna like you. Enough people don't like Beyonce, enough people don't like Nicki Minaj, enough people don't like Cardi B, but these people are millionaires, these people are successful. So I don't have no reason to care about whatever so-called hype or whatever it is, or people are gonna say you steal and them something. Me no live for Uno or people like certain like Uno say these kind of things, because people like Uno don't support people genuinely. Just all for the hype or the clout, the comments, the likes and them something, the views and them something. I don't care about that. My mentality no stretch this, so me have a bigger mindset than a lot of young girls or a lot of people. I have a bigger thinking. So certain things me don't really care about right now. If you know us, is that even comment me not turn on for my TikTok, and me not turn them back either. Me not turn on back my messaging either. Certain things me not turn on back. That's why I say, if you genuinely want something from Thick Fits, it better if you go and just order through the page, because certain things me not entertain, certain people me not entertain. It just don't value, it don't benefit me. You get me I try to say? Yeah. Whenever you want to make a certain lifestyle, I want to have a certain level of success, sometimes you have to fall back. And when I say fall back, I mean like in terms of attention or certain things. You get me? Me will always be relevant. You know why? And then again, to me, it's not a person that grows off controversy, but for some weird reason, people always try to involve me in a controversy or things that